Welcome friend, this is very important and urgent video. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and some other coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin Tether US 1 hour balance chart, and currently Bitcoin is struggling uh, to go up, and here you can see uh, Bitcoin was in this ascending channel, and now Bitcoin is going to break this ascending channel. Let me please show you my next immediate short-term target. If this happen and Bitcoin close over the candle below this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit. Let me please show you. Let me please label on this. Then definitely it is going to hit $29,100 level, and which is the, I think, the peak of which is the bottom of this rising channel, and starting point of this rising channel. Many of my subscribers and many of my friends are asking to me, is this blow of top happened, and is Bitcoin going down more? Let me please show you. Let me please show you the clear picture. If you are a new user, please subscribe my channel, and if you are uh, a Telegram lover and use Telegram, then please join my Telegram channel. I will give very informative stuff in my Telegram channel, and I regularly updated my Telegram channel on regular basis. And if you are a new user and if you want to trade within Binance Exchange or within Bybit Exchange, then links are in this video description. Here you can find these links. This is the Bybit link where you can get $600 bonus as a bonus, and this is absolutely free, and this is the link of Binance Coin. If you want to trade on Binance Coin, then Binance Exchange, then you can open the registration link. Just click on this registration link and create your new account for leverage trading on Binance or future trading in Binance. And if you want to join Bybit Exchange, then use this link. If you want to join Binance Exchange, then use this links. These links are in this video description. Let's focus to the content. Here you can see Bitcoin is falling right now, and let me please show you the clear picture. This is the BTC perpetual 4-hour chart of Binance, and here you can see Bitcoin make this top. After that, Bitcoin make this second top, then make this third top. Sorry for that. Here you can see, and now this is the fourth top. You can say Bitcoin is creating lower highs. Here you can see, and I think below of the top is happen, and now Bitcoin definitely will go to, I think, 30,000, maybe 29,000, maybe 28,000, and maybe more down, and maybe hit to. Let me please show you next targets. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart. Please friends, show your support to me, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please like this video. And let me please arrange this chart, and let me please show you the next support zone for the Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin break this, then definitely the next support zone for Bitcoin is that, which is currently at 30,165. This is the zone, support zone. If Bitcoin break this support zone, then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit next support for the Bitcoin. Let me please tell you, and let me please break this support zone. Please friends, I need your support, and please join my Telegram channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please like this video too. here you can see this is the currently support zone for the Bitcoin right now. What I am thinking right now, I think Bitcoin definitely is going to hit $27,500 maybe, and but for this Bitcoin must have to break this strong support zone, which is at $30,100 to $30,500 level. This is the very big spot. This is the very strong spot for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break this spot, then definitely it is going to hit 28,700 and maybe 27,500 and maybe 25,000. Please be careful and please do not use high leverage in that kind of situation. And let me please remove this. Friends, please show your support and please like my video. If Bitcoin turns pull back from here, from that point, let me please show you the next picture. Then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit 35,800 to 36,000. This is the next upside target, but I think this is most unlikely right now, and most likely scenario is that Bitcoin definitely it is going to hit $29,000 level, and Bitcoin once again is going to break 30,000 support zone this time. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see hourly candle break EMA ribbon towards downside, which was at $32,500 level, and now you can see a big drop in the price of Bitcoin. So please be careful, friends. Let me please hide this EMA ribbon, and let me please show you next target and next coin. All of the coins are going to follow the Bitcoin. Let me please show you the Ethereum chart, and here you can see this is the Ethereum 1 hour chart of Bitstamp. Was in ascending triangle, and now Ethereum is going to break this ascending triangle. A minimum target, down target for me of Ethereum is, if I put this from that point, then 1120 is the minimum target I am waiting for in this Ethereum coin. And if Ethereum break this upper trend line, which is I think very difficult for the Ethereum coin right now, and if Ethereum break $1,295 level, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit $1,350 to $1,317 level. There are less chances that Ethereum will do this. I think Ethereum will go down, and Ethereum will go down to $1,120 to $1,130 level. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon for the Ethereum. Here you can see Ethereum is currently struggling and to hold this EMA ribbon, and now candles this hourly candle is right below at $1,225 level, and if this close below this, then definitely it will the disaster for the Ethereum, and Ethereum will go down more. Here you can see I am seeing a beautiful pattern. Let me please show you. This is the second pattern I found in this Ethereum chart. Here you can see this is perfect time pattern, and here you can see oh my god. Let me please calculate the target of this. Oh my god. Let me please do this. Oh my god. This will lead Ethereum to $1,020. Oh my god. If this happen and Ethereum break this downtrend line, which is at currently 1225, I think the major support for the Ethereum will $1,180 level. If Ethereum break this $1,220 $25 to $1,220 level, then definitely it is going to hit 1180. If Ethereum break this downside again, then definitely it is going to hit 1120, maybe $1,015 level. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the Ripple chart. Here you can see Ripple was in this rising wedge and break this rising wedge towards downside. Let me please calculate the target for the Ripple coin right now. Sorry for that. Oh my god. 0.2450 is the next target for me for the Ripple coin right now. Maybe Ripple pull back from that level, but I think so. Maybe Ripple is going to do this. Let me please show you my next chart, which is EOS. Here you can see. Let me please remove this. EOS break this rising channel towards downside, and EOS was in this falling broadening channel. And here you can see, if I calculate the target for the EOS coin from top to bottom, and if I put it from that point, then definitely EOS is going to hit $2.5 level very soon. Here you can see. EOS is also creating a M pattern. If let me please calculate the height of this M pattern, and let me please show you. This is the height of this M pattern, and if this happens, and then EOS is definitely going to hit $2.38 level, I think so. Currently I am watching these two levels, $2.5 level and $2.4 level in this EOS coin. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Litecoin. Here you can see Litecoin break this rising channel towards upside, and rising horizontal channel was, and here you can see, if I calculate the height of this, sorry for that. This will lead Litecoin into $127 level. If Litecoin break this support zone, which is at $135 level, then definitely it is going to hit $125 level, and maybe $123 $120 level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Chainlink. Here you can see Chainlink was in this rising triangle, ascending triangle, and now it is going to break this ascending triangle. The minimum target of this ascending triangle is at $20 level. I think Chainlink will hit $20. After that, if further breakdown, then definitely it is going to hit its starting point, which is at $11.25 level. Be careful, do not open any long trade in this situation in Chainlink and in other coins. Let me please show you the next chart, which is at XLM Stellar coin, and Stellar was in this rising channel and break this rising channel towards downside. The minimum target for this Stellar right now is, for me, is that, 0.2357. This is the next target for this Stellar coin right now for me, and if this happens, then definitely it will go down more. Let me please show you my next chart, which is ADA coin. Here you can see ADA coin was in this rising channel or ascending triangle and break this ascending triangle towards the downside. Now let me please show you my minimum target of minimum bearish target for the Stellar coin right now. Here you can see 0.317. This is the target, and after that definitely it will go down to hit this level, which is 0.29. Let me please show you my next chart. Which is Polkadot. Polkadot break this rising channel or ascending triangle towards the downside. Let me please calculate the minimum target for the Polkadot right now. Minimum downside target for the Polkadot is currently 15.76. This is the target for Polkadot right now. My next chart is BNB coin. BNB was in this ascending triangle and break this ascending triangle towards the downside. The minimum target for the BNB coin for me is that. Let me please show you. Minimum target for the Binance coin, I think $37 level, which is my next target for the Binance coin. If this happens, then definitely Binance, if Binance break this downtrend line, then it will go down. I think will hit $20 level, but it is very early to say. Let me please show you my next chart. Let me please find this. I am finding Tron chart. Let me please wait. This is the Tron chart. Please friend, be careful. Bitcoin is in very bearish mode, and I think it will go down for furthermore, and it definitely it will. Please friend, wait. Here you can see this is the Tron US 1 hour chart, USD 1 hour chart, and the minimum target for the Tron is for me is that. The minimum target for the Tron is 0.0274, and next target will be at 0.2684. Let me please show you my next chart, last two charts, which is Uniswap, and here you can see. In my last video, I was told you that Uniswap in this triangle, and whenever Uniswap break this triangle towards downside, then we will decide our target. Let me please show you immediate short-term targets for the Uniswap right now. The minimum target I am expecting from the Uniswap is currently will be this, and after that it is going to hit this level, I think so, which is at 7 point. These are two levels I am waiting for the Uniswap coin, and here you can see Uniswap token. Let me please show you my last chart, which is KSM USDT Kusama coin. In my last video, I was told you that Kusama was in this pennant, and here you can see breakout was after the breakout, market crashed, and here you can see Let me please find the next immediate short-term targets for the Kusama coin right now, and let me please do this. The minimum target for the Kusama coin will be is at here you can see this is at $95 level, and maybe it will going to hit $84 level. These are two bearish target for me right now for Kusama coin, 95 and 84. This is my friend technical analysis, and please do not use high leverage in any situation because leverage trading is always very risky, and future tradings are is always very risky. So please always use 2x, 3x, maximum 5x in your trades. And if you want more leverage, then you can use 7x, I think, which is enough. And if you want to open an exchange account of Bybit, and you can where you can get $600 bonus, here you can see $600 bonus if you open Bybit account from my link, and you can get these bonuses. Here you can see just go to in this video's description where you can find Bybit link, from where you can get $600 bonus, and also you can find Binance link. Here you can see in this video description, and this in this video's comment section. Please show your support. Please friend, please show your support, and please like this video if you like, then this will motivate me, and then definitely I will bring more informative and very useful stuff for you. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.